I knew she was cheating on me.
I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. Your breast it on my
It's a chicken rice.
Our chef is going to do some flipping.
Yep. He's about to start.
Come on, get a little color, Lee. There you go. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, jeez.
I knew she was cheating on me.
Oh. There it is.
Isn't he handsome? No, stop it!
Alright, now we're taking cute couple
It's
pictures.
being really laggy. Hold on. You gotta hold still a little bit longer.
And then we got our photographer right here. You got cake? Oh, she's definitely got cake.
So cute, so cute. Wait, gotta get the pose.
That's cute. Get it, baby, get it. So we are now in the Preferreds Club, and we're getting booze, and we're getting snacks. So, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Really help out the channel.
Down, up, down.
That was strong. What just happened? She's going hard. Oh God. Alejandro, help! cheese.
So we had a small incident. We broke some glass, and I stepped on some glass. Nail glue.
Did he cut her toe? She's bleeding.
It's okay. I got first aid kit.
Alright, go hobble. Let's hobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble.
Oh yeah, there you go, Gim. Oh,
Why don't you guys just piggyback her?
yeah, Jason.
Why are you volunteering me?
I just ate a lot of
Listen, if it
food.
was my girlfriend, I ate a lot of food
He
too.
has to piggyback me because I can't walk right now.
No,
Wait,
she
where's
needs
my
to piggyback
sweater?
me.
You brought a sweater here?
I have a sweatshirt.
What the fuck?
What sweatshirt?
Say hi, Maddie. Jared, say hi.
Alejandro!
Jared, we have a noise complaint.
I don't give a fuck. All this fucking dudes to suck my dick.
I know that. I hope this is a highlight of the vlog.
I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck.
Listen, you got blood everywhere in this
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you, bro.
Listen, take that with you.
Bye, Maddie. Alright, well, Sydney's got.
Hey, you good?
Bye, Hobbit.
Alejandro, brother. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey,
I'll see you again.
thank you so much for the food. Life fucking saver,
My
bro.
pleasure.
So life really fucked up. Sydney broke a bottle of Corona.
Corona extra and sliced open her foot.
And
her
sliced-
middle toe, to be exact.
Her middle toe, and now she's limping
With
a towel wrapped around her foot. Why don't we go to the lobby so you get a bandage?
We're going to the
No, this way's better.
I just to go up.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Elevators go up.
I just spat all over myself. Alright, baby. First aid.
It's fun. It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Update. I'm just in the lobby. Sydney's getting her cut cleaned. Look at her. Alright. So that's what we've been doing for the past like 20 minutes. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been an interesting vlog so far. Oh.
Story is public. Why is that a thing? Everybody's seeing
We just,
ugly ass toe. At least you got a pedicure.
her ugly ass toe just got fixed up. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for this vlog.
Why?
God.
I love Tim, dude. I can't wait to come to New York. New York.
You want to follow it up with me?
Allie, where's your shot?
I already have.
Oh,
Allie, where's your shot?
your number.
Let's go.
Yeah, no.
Your number's up.
No, no, no,
Come
no,
on,
no.
come on,
No,
come on,
no,
come
no.
on.
I don't do tequila. Tequila does me.
Jason. Yes, tequila shots. I just did a shot with your dad. Yeah, I did.
No, he did.
Alright, do it again. Let me see.
No, I just did one
Do it
already.
again and I'll do it with you.
I'll do one with you as soon as you take this one.
No, I need
Yeah,
to see
come
you
on.
take it.
No.
You think I'm a bitch? You think I'm not gonna take it? I think you're not gonna
Did I
take
take
it.
a shot?
I don't.
I have it on camera. I have it on camera.
According to my mouth.
Bet you do the same.
Alright, bet.
Bet.
Yeah. Woo. You sip that mango juice, baby.
Oh, absolutely. I got
Ready?
the fucking juice. Yo, COVID.
Oh my god.
Alright, ready, go.
Oh.
Well done.
No.
Well done.
Oh, that hurts.
But it's a good follow up though. It's actually an amazing flower.
Right?
Props to the mango juice. Props to the mango juice.
All right, Gabby.
Is there some left?
Oh yeah, there's plenty.
Okay, I'll take it then.
You want to do the orange? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Oh gosh.
If I get out, I'm gonna be cold.
R.I.P.
It's actually so nice that it's heated.
It's so nice in here, but I'm gonna freeze my ass when I get out.
Right? Baby, you want shots?
Nope.
Yes.
Your turn.
Yeah, it's your turn. You should take shots.
All right. Good night, guys.